Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset any computer that has Windows 10 installed. Now there are many reasons why you would want to factory reset your computer. Maybe you lost the password, you have a virus, or you're just going to sell it and you want all your personal information off. Before you factory reset your computer, keep in mind, this method that I'm going to show you is going to erase all the information off of your computer, any applications that you have installed. It's going to be like you just first bought it. Again, if you have any important information on your computer that you do not want erased, do not use this method. And if this method works for you, all I ask in return is to give this video a thumbs up and to support the channel by subscribing. Alright, so let's get started. We are going to start here on the sign on screen. If you have the password or you don't have the password, it's okay. This is where we want to be. We are going to click on the power button on the right of the screen. Here you will see restart. Before you click restart, we want to hold down the shift button. We are going to hold down the shift button while clicking restart. Then you will get maybe a message that says, if you restart now, you and your other people using this PC will lose unsafe data. We're going to click restart anyways, and we are still holding down the shift button, okay? We are still holding down the shift button. Now it's going to send you to this screen. It's going to ask you to choose an option. You have an option here to continue and exit to the Windows 10. So if you don't want to do this process, you're just going to click that. It's going to take you back. Next, use a device. Use a USB drive, network connection, or Windows recovery disk. If you have the Windows recovery disk and you just want to put it into your computer and go that route, or if you have a USB drive, you can also click the second option. Now the third option, reset your PC or use advanced options. We are going to click on that one. Here in this screen, the top one says reset this PC. Lets you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstalls Windows. There's some advanced options. You guys can take a look at that, but we are not going to click on any of those. The one we need is reset this PC, okay? We are going to click on that. So here you will have two options. Keep my files, removes apps and settings, and then the second option, if you want a fresh start like you first bought your computer without anything on it, it's only going to have Windows installed like when you first purchased it. You are going to click on remove everything, remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Once you click on that, your computer will go through the process of resetting and it might take a couple hours. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please support this channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.